Good morning, everyone. My name is Lao Zuan. Today, I want to present my Python programming mini project. Okay, my mini project name's Student Grade Analyzer. The introduction of my project. Okay, the project will analyze student performance using Python and will automate grading and calculation for the student result. This program will also include the visualization for clarity. Yeah. Objective of the program is calculate grade accurately, find the average, highest and lowest mark of the student. This program will also count pass and fail student to see the percentage. Okay, will display the result visually. This program, the tools I use is Python programming language, Matplotlib for graph, list and function for data handling. Okay. The methodology is input student names and marks. Yeah. And process data using function, calculate statistic, and display result and plot graph. Okay, the program feature is the automatic grade assignment, average calculation, then we will show the highest and lower detection, pass and fail analysis. Of course, we have the bar chart visualization for the student mark, so we can compare the student mark using the graph. Okay, what result we saw? Okay, we display complete student analysis, show the class performance clearly, and identify top and weak student. So after that, we can see the which student is the top and in class and which one is weak. Yeah. So we can compare the student result. Okay, here is the example. Okay, so it's bar chart comparing the student marks. Okay, so this charts will easy to understanding the visualization and help identify trick quickly lah. Okay, the Python is simplified to complex analysis and graphs improves understanding for like this graph so we can more understanding what is the student result and compare. Okay, useful for academic evaluation. Okay, the conclusion is the project achieve all objectives. Okay, demonstrate Python capability and can be expand future. Okay, now I want to show you how to what is the program. Yeah. Okay, here is the coding. Okay, now since we use the Matplotlib, so when we run this project, we need to install this one in the Python. How to install? Here. So here is the step for we to install. Okay, let's follow the step. Do SDM. Okay, copy this one. So you will automatically install the Matplotlib. Okay, I already install it before, so it's already completed. Okay, now we can run the program. Okay, here is the need to key in the number of students, so you can see the program here. Okay, input number of students. So let's say we get the example when we take 5. Okay, then here if input enter the name of student. So here we need to input the student name. Okay, let's say 1. Okay, then here's the mark. So we need to key in the student mark of number 1. Okay, let's say this one student 2. First we have key in 5 students, so we need to key in 5 student name. Yeah, here's the program here. Okay, name it 2. Keep key in the mark. Okay, let's continue. Okay, already key in 5 student name and mark. So okay, so let's complete the program. Okay, what is the function? Okay, we have is the mark grade. Okay, 80 and above is A. Then else 70 and above is B. 16 and above C. 15 and above is D. Else is the F in this field. Okay, let's try. Okay, this one we see later. Okay, here is the summary. Yeah, and student 1, 57 mark is grade D. Yeah, here 15 and above D. Yeah, same as others one. And here is a summary. Okay, you can see over here my programming is over here. Okay, grade. Okay, call pass, field pass. Okay, and this one. Okay, here pass 15 and above is pass. Okay, else is a field. Okay, here is calculation, average, sum. This one, pass average is 62. Then highest point is the student number 3, 87. And lowest one is student number 2, 47. Okay, so got 4 pass, 1 fail. Okay, this one is top student. You can find the top student here, number 3, and low student, number 2. Okay, this is the display for this one. Yeah, here is the higher class average, higher marks, lower marks. This is the result, and we can see on the bar chart that you can more understand for clearly what we can see. Here is the student name, and here is the mark. Okay, the highest and lowest. Okay, this is the example. this my coding for 10 students, but now I only do 5 students, for example. Alright, this is all my programming, my mini project. Okay, thank you.